You've been lied to. The online world is a graveyard of broken promises, overpriced funnels, fake screenshots, and gurus who profit off your failure. You've wasted money, time, and energy chasing systems that collapse the second you stop grinding. That's the pain, and if you're honest, you've lived it. Now, how many more months are you willing to watch your bank account stay flat while someone else gets rich off your effort? Network marketing told you duplication was the secret, but what you got was rejection, ghosted friends, and a downline that never duplicated. Affiliate programs told you passive income was real, but they left you fighting for scraps while the top 1% pocketed the real money. That's not duplication, that's exploitation. Stay with me because I'm about to show you the exact system that flips the script and proves it with real deposits. Now, failure isn't your fault. The system is engineered to keep you broke. Here's a truth bomb. The so-called mentors don't want you to win. They want you dependent, stuck buying their next upsell, and trapped in their funnel. 97% of people fail not because they're lazy, but because the game is rigged. And the rigged game ends here. 2 nights ago while I slept, $145 hit my bank account. And 2 new sales. And that's $28 more in monthly residuals. My total monthly residual is now $176, pacing towards $2,112 in the next 12 months. That's not hype. That's deposits. Proof beats promises every single time. So I'm going to show you that real quick. Okay, here's your $34.50. Remember these numbers, $6.50, $83.05, and $145. And you can see my monthly income on the Home Business Academy is $176 with just 3 active teammates. I like to say teammates, not customers. And that breaks down to $16 in Let's Go. That's a $10 app that pays you $8. The HBA Funnel Builder Academy pays $20 a month from a $25 a month. That's $60 a month. And the Premium Traffic and Conversion Academy costs $125 and pays $100 a month. So as you can see, 80% residuals. And check this out. The 3-month projection is $528 a month. The 6-month projection is $1,056. And the annual projection based on current income is $2,112. So I'm going to show you even more proof. I showed you the counts, this $34.50. Sorry, I just closed that. The $83.05, the $6.50, and the $145. So I'm going to log into my online banking. Bear with me. And I'm going to show you real proof of these amounts. So as you can see, there's $145 from the Home Business Academy just yesterday. Then there's $6.50, $34.50, and $83.05, just like I said. So as you can see, this is real money. It's really possible to do this if you put your head down and follow the steps that make this a lot easier. It isn't done for you. It's copy and paste simple though, and that we have live videos that you can play, watch, rewind, etc. So, and we have the real training everybody else is scared to teach you, which will teach you attraction marketing, how to build any online business. Now we flip the script. Instead of hype, we build a model that deposits real money into your account while you sleep. Proof beats promises. So we're promoting a model that deposits real money while you sleep. And recurring income. So residual income, you have residual bills, you need residual income, right? Duplication beats desperation, traffic beats theory. Ask yourself, do you want to keep being a customer in someone else's funnel, or do you want to own the system that pays you? This is the Home Business Academy versus Network Marketing 2025 Truth Bomb. Earn money online. So a lot of the things right now is Livegood And people are promising you gurus, so-called gurus, that you're going to make $4,000 a month, sit and do nothing. Now that's not real life, and they pay 25 cents per customer residually. So you need what, 8,000? Sorry, to make $2,000 a month, you need what, 8,000 people? Come on, come on. Do you really believe that? Meanwhile, you saw I had $176 with just 3 customers. And you make 25 cents per person. Whereas the HBA app, the Let's Go app, you earn $8 for $10. You earn 25 for the 20, sorry, for the HBA Funnel Builder, which costs 25, and you earn 100 for 125 for the HBA Premium. So 80% commissions. That can get a lot done. Now I'm going to show you why clarity beats hype every time. Network marketing often sells duplication, but hides the mechanics. The Home Business Academy model strips it down, simple funnel builder, daily blueprint, and duplication built in. Do you know 80% affiliates quit in the first 90 days? Not because they can't work, but because no one gave them a system that actually duplicates. This is the system. HBA is the system, okay? We're giving you this free site that teaches you exactly how to do it. You can schedule a live call with this guy right here as the first step when you come in, right? We also give you member who loans Let's Go, Funnel Builder, and Premium. I'll get this more into later. Get access to sponsors Team Traffic Rotator, and we can get you a rotator of your own that you can get people to go all in and get put in your rotator, okay? And that could pay $128 per person. So, and that's why this breakdown of Home Business Academy versus network marketing 2025 Truth Bomb Earn Money Online matters, because you can see the difference between noise and a system that compounds. At just $25, you get the HBA Funnel Builder, instant commissions to your favorite processor, and the exact daily steps, because SFW free. So duplication is almost automatic. Add the Let's Go app and Premium, and not only do you earn $20, $8, and $100 monthly, but add your link to my rotator and drive traffic for both of us. That's duplication you can pass on to your team as well. Again, you can have your own traffic rotator, okay? If you go all in. Still watching? Good, because this is where it gets real. Our training site right here is live, okay? Among other things, you get 150 done for you emails. You get to step how to do exactly this. So I click on add video just to do autoresponder, right? And I log in. And there's the video on how to do exactly how to do it, okay? And I go to 150 email swites. I don't want to show you what the emails are, but there's 150 of them, okay? And this is exactly how to do it, okay? You'll need to edit these emails to be about you and have your links in your signature. We can do this in a few, I think 23 seconds for you, okay? Automatically. This is the exact blueprint that I use to rank daily on YouTube. Every single video. And rank consistently on Google. And I'll show you that more in just a moment. This isn't about hype. It's about clarity, conviction, and proof. If this hits, smash subscribe, drop a comment if you felt this pain, like if you're done with guru lies. So I want to show you this real quick. Exactly what I was talking about, this ranking. Okay? So I'm going to go to Home Business Academy DFY Marketing System. And did that just change? Wow. It did. So there's my video right here. So this changes every day. I think, had 4 of the top 6. But you can see right here, right here, right here, and right here, and another one right here, okay? On the first page of Google. And then I have the Home Business Academy DFY video right here. And look at all these ones. Another one. Here's a one. Here's one. Here's one. Here's one. This is one term. multiply, another one, 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 and another one bites the dust, right? Okay, so we're going HBA versus Livegood. There's a video right there. There's a video from a teammate. And substitute me with you, because how would you like to have you and your team learning the exact steps on the page that I showed you, right? And the Simple Freedom Warriors, where you can get paid 50% commission on all products, up to anywhere from $350 to $1,500 instantly to the payment processor of your choice. Giving this free at any level, right? So, let's go out first. Livegood. I want to show you this real quick. Here's more videos, right? Another one. And two more from Postcard Lifestyle. Okay, we're moving on though. You see, I have the top video. There's Postcard Lifestyle, and there's Instagram video from our YouTube. Okay, there's another video for the whole channel for YouTube. Okay, yeah, and there's Postcard Lifestyle again. We are dominating YouTube and ranking consistently on Google too. Instagram post. Okay, there's ClickFunnels. There's a video right there, another video, and another video. Here's ClickFunnels on YouTube. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are ads, right? We have all 4 of the top videos. Here's another ad, and there's another one, and another one, and another one, and another one, and another one bites the dust, right? So, residual proof. Number 1 video. There's 2 Instagram posts, and another one, on Google, right? First page. How would you like to do this for yourself and have your team trained? And here's the YouTube video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is evergreen content. 8, 9. Let's find one more. What the fuck was that? That's crazy. 10. Quick disclaimer. The results I've shared are my personal experience and not typical. Your results will depend on your effort, consistency, and ability to follow through. The Home Business Academy, also known as HBA or Home Business Academy, make no guarantees of income, and neither do I. This is not a promise of overnight success. What I've shown you is proof of what's possible when you apply the system and you stay consistent with it. But your outcome is always in your hands. Okay? And I want to show you how easy it is to put a video and make a funnel out of it, right? So I'm going to click this title, right? I'm going to copy and paste it. Let's try again. I don't know what's going on. Let's try again. I don't know what's up. Give me a half a second. All right, take 2. All right, what's going on? Because it was working fine. But you take this title, you copy it. Okay? Then you paste it over here. I don't know what's going on. Give me a second. Then you go back to the page, right? And this was right here. So I was recording and I stopped recording for some reason. You go right here. You hit show settings. Right here, you paste this right here. And something is not working. I don't know why I do this every day. You paste it right here. And then this probably won't work. But then you go to right back to here. You share this code. Copy. Okay? Copy to clipboard. Go back here. You change the video. I've already changed it because I already recorded this and I didn't know I had stopped. So you put your title right here. Okay? I'll get a different video. It's all good. So we'll go to a different video of mine. Okay, we'll go to this one. And I'm going to hit share. Then I'm going to copy, right? And then we're going to hit edit video. And we're going to paste this title in here. And for some reason that's not working today. I don't know what's going on in my system. But I do this all the time. So you can watch a different video and see exactly how to do this. I don't know what's going on, why it's not letting me. There's paste. Okay. I don't know what's going on today. There's the video right there. So if you've been wondering where the line is between hype and reality, this is it. Home Business Academy versus network marketing. Would you rather be making quarters or dollars? Okay, you can make $8, $20, or $100 for $125, $25, and $10. Yes, you can make $10 unlimited, $8 for an unlimited $10 health, wellness, and wealth app. Okay, or you for $8 for 10. Or Livegood costs 10 and you earn 25 cents. What makes more sense to you? Okay? Stop buying lies. Start building residuals. This is your wake-up call. Okay? Well, I'm not promising you it's going to be easy or I'm going to build you a huge downline. Network marketing, it can work, but it's also, all those gurus are building their team with other gurus, okay? That's how they make the huge money. They stack their team before they even promoted to you. Period. They stack their team before they even promote it to you, okay? Now look at this. This is the solution. You start here, put your first name here, put your best email, hit yes I want in. Then you go to a page like this that builds know, like, and trust. And we have 150 emails that you can plug in for free, right? Right here. Add video into the AutoSmart. We show you exactly what to do. 150 email swipes. The bridge video training. How to 100x your income. We have live coaching every single day. Okay, enter the traffic rotator. Members who go own Let's Go, Funnel Builder, and Premium get access to sponsors Stream Traffic Rotator. These are the exact same steps I do every single day to dominate YouTube. You can dominate YouTube with this training that we're giving you for free, okay? For free at any level. How to do exactly these steps. And the video is over the shoulder. You can watch it and you can pause it. Play and pause it. Go to any spot. Okay. Period. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly man. Don't delay. Get what you need today. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.